Welcome to EDU World Space.
So in this video, we're going to talk about question 38 from chapter 20, which asks us, what are three-centered bonds? So three-centered bonds are also known as bridge bonds, are when you have two atoms bonded to each other through a third atom. So what differentiates this from just three atoms bonded together linearly? Well, normally when two atoms come together to form a covalent bond, they share an electron pair that makes up that bond. But when we have these three-centered bonds, each of the bonds from atom A to B and B to C doesn't have their own shared electron pair. So these two bonds together share one single electron pair. So that's why this is called a three-centered bond, because you have the same number of electrons that a single bond from A to C would have, but you're also sharing with this third atom B, this kind of bridge atom B. So an example of a three-centered bond is in a molecule called diborane, B2H6, where you have two three-centered bonds between where our two boron atoms are sharing an electron pair in order to bond to each other, but they're also sharing that electron pair with a third atom, with a hydrogen atom.